Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this sound is not available on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you're facing the issue that in the video you're watching the sound is not available, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go to your TikTok and just tap on your profile option at the bottom right and then tap on three horizontal lines at the top right. Tap on settings and privacy, just scroll down and look for free up space. Select that. Then tap on clear in front of cache. So it will clear all the cache and junk files from your TikTok app. Once you have done, now you can try to switch your account to personal account. If you're using a business account, so you're restricted to a commercial library, causing many popular songs to be unavailable. So now to do that, you have to go to your menu here and then select account. Then select switch to personal account. Just tap on switch anyway and your account will be switched to a personal account. Now you can retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's music or if your video has been muted due to copyright, so you can try to change sound or replace your sound with an allowed track. Or you can also try to go to update your app. So go to your app store or the Play Store. Simply search for TikTok and you can try to update your app. Just make sure that your app is up to date. There's no pending updates for your app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.